So Samsung just fired the first shot with their sleek new Fold 7, thinner, lighter, cleaner than ever. But guess what? Google's not just watching from the sidelines. They're loading up because the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is coming in hot, and it's not here to play nice. While Samsung's busy polishing edges, Google might be gearing up to flip the entire foldable game on its head. And the best part, we just got our first real taste of what's coming, and yeah, it's juicy. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're into tech that makes you say, wait, what? Go ahead, share, and subscribe for more updates like this one. All right, back to it. Let's talk battery first, because if you're still stuck charging your foldable by lunchtime, what even are we doing? The Fold 7, for all its polish, is still rocking a 4400 battery. Respectfully, that's me. But here comes Google. Rumor has it, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is packing a 5150 mAh cell. That's not just bigger, it's bold. That's the kind of battery that lets you scroll Snapstream and game without worrying if your phone's going to tap out before dinner. And with the upgraded Tensor G5 chip, optimized to sip power instead of guzzling it, this could finally be the first foldable that survives a full day of chaos. Now zoom in a little. Design. Google's not trying to reinvent the Fold here, but they are refining the formula. Slight bump on the cover screen from 6.3 to 6.4 inches. Tiny, sure, but those thinner bezels make a difference. The hinge, rumored to be tighter and cleaner, with a more compact design that actually looks good closed, not just open like a tablet. But the real flex, durability. Google might be going all in with IP68 water and dust resistance. That's right, a book-style foldable that doesn't panic around rain, dust, or a beach trip, huge if true. Now let's talk RAM, because foldables aren't just fancy screens, they're meant to replace your daily driver. And if you're juggling AI tools, camera tricks, and a dozen apps at once, memory matters. Samsung finally pushed to 16 GB on the Fold 7, but Google's rumored to make that standard across the board. Not just for clout, but to future-proof your device and keep things silky smooth 2 years down the line. Speaking of smooth wireless charging, Google might be jumping to QE2 speeds with up to 23rd W wireless charging. Faster, cooler, more efficient. Pair that with the bigger battery and smarter chip, and yeah, Pixel might just win the long game. Color-wise, we've got Jade and Moonstone, two finishes we've already seen on the Pixel 10 Pro. Jade's rocking a soft gold trim that looks luxurious without screaming for attention. Moonstone, understated and cool. But is it enough? Fans are already asking for more personality, because for a phone this bold, why not go all out? And here's the kicker. If Google undercuts Samsung on price while offering better battery, smarter AI, real water resistance, and that Pixel-exclusive software magic, Samsung might have a real problem on its hands. The Fold 7 might still be the style king, but Pixel 10 Pro Fold, it's shaping up to be the smart, tough, all-day beast. We're just weeks away from the official Pixel Fold reveal, but honestly, it already feels like the stage is set. Google's got the hardware, they've got the hype, and if they stick the landing, the foldable landscape's about to shift fast. So what's your move? Stick with Samsung's premium polish or gamble on Google's foldable power play? Drop your thoughts below. I'm seriously curious to hear your hot takes. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.